providing council policy direction to staff on moving forward on how we include information in camera and how that information gets out. And that's an ongoing process that we're well into right now. 25, 26, and 27 really are specific to the Ombudsman's report. And what we were hoping to do with Eli Mina is to provide a counter to the Ombudsman's arguments around in camera and have a parliamentarian also provided guidance and direction, or not direction, but guidance and advice to council on in-camera information and minutes and reports from a parliamentarian perspective as opposed to the Ombudsman's perspective, which might be different because the parliamentarian may look at the interests of the corporation, where the Ombudsman's looking at it from the interests of the public. And council needs to balance both of those interests. So that's why we were hoping to have Eli Mina speak to those three particular categories.